Hello everyone. Welcome to CocoFax. CocoFax is best solution to send and receive fax without fax line. When you create or ready the document, you can simply send the fax to any country. No worries. This CocoFax feature its support to your mobile also. Let's see how to send fax with phone. If you are using iOS device, follow these steps. Open any of browser, then search in Google CocoFax or type cocofax.com. Then find the correct web page. You can see CocoFax logo. Here is the cool site. Now, if you don't have a CocoFax account, you can simply create it. To create an account, select Start Faxing. Now you can pick up a fax number and choose the country. In this page you can add your information. Then you can easily continue. But I have a CocoFax account. Let me to sign in. After creating account, dashboard look like this. Fax number and name appear here. To send a fax, click right corner icon and click New Fax. Now, add recipient's fax number. Then add fax file to here. We can add fax cover also from here. After double-check the information, we can send the fax. Here we go. The fax already sent. Confirmation email will be received to your registered CocoFax email. I hope your video is helpful. Have a nice day.